Good morning, good morning, good morning. Do you know what day it is today? It's an excellent day to boost our sales on Etsy. So how are we going to do that? If you didn't see yesterday's video, we are changing one small thing about our shop every day in August in an attempt to really trigger the algorithm and boost our sales. And why does this work? Simply, most search engines favour newness. When someone searches for something, the search engines go through all its algorithm, they figure out all the things, what's the person most likely to want to buy. But one of the things it looks at is, how active is this? How new is it? It doesn't want to send someone to a dead site or to a dead shop. So if you keep on doing something, then you keep on being relevant, you keep on triggering the algorithm. So let's do this. So what are we going to do today? Let's sort out the info and settings in your shop. Let's sort out what people see when they come and read all about you. So why is this important? Well, if you've had your shop for a while, most people kind of forget to update this section. They do it once and leave it, kind of forgetting that buyers like to look at these things. And if you're new, you might have left it till last or just did a hurried job and not thought about it again. So let's get in there, check this out and change it up. So all you have to do in your Studio Manager, click on Settings and Info and Appearance. And here you can change your announcements, your shop policies, all sorts of things. So check them out and think about how they're going to look if you're a buyer. We want to make this fun to read, personal about yourself as the artist so people can connect with you and want to buy from you. And think about this like a newspaper headline. People aren't going to read all the way through. So make the most important bits the top, make this screaming important and fun, and then build down to the less important bits as you go along. I'm definitely going to have to clip mine, it's looking a bit long. And while we're in here, check out your policies as well, especially with the new EU terms and everything. You need to add some policies just saying what you're going to be doing about keeping people's data, etc. So check out you're up to date with that, check out this is fun and interesting to read, and just give a little tweak on your policies. So every single day we're going to be looking at some different changes you can make. Bear in mind, not every single change is going to be relevant to your shop, but even if you can't make that specific change, after you've watched me, just head off to your shop, spend 5 minutes changing something, whether it's some of your listings, some of your photographs, just doing something different, keep yourself active, and come back and see me next time. Tomorrow's Sunday, so we'll have our regular afternoon live stream, and then we'll be back to our morning coffee chats on Monday. So see you then. Thank you so much.